Hello, welcome to Eat Traveler. Today we are going to make grilled chicken. This is a quick and easy recipe. For this, you need to take a bowl, add chicken breast piece, a pounded it. Now add salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Marinate this for 15 minutes. For the second marination, add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix well. Add hung curd, 2 tablespoons. Salt as per your taste. Add some crushed kasoori methi. Mix it well. Now add chicken. Mix well and marinate this for 15 minutes. Heat the grill pan, add oil. Now add chicken. Cook this in high flame. Once it is grilled, flip it. And now cook it in medium-low flame. Let the chicken cook for about 10 minutes. And then flip it if required. Our grilled chicken is ready. It's really easy and tasty. Do try it and let me know the feedback. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.